In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flirt developer. When your app is ready, launch it, and then thanks to it learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!